Mastering Bed Mobility Transfers, a step-by-step guide to demonstrate both sitting up to edge of bed and laying down. Today, I'll guide you through assisting with both supine to sit and sit to supine transfers, moving your loved one to and from the edge of the bed. This skill is crucial for starting and ending the day positively and safely. Let's take it step by step. First, if possible, raise the bed. This will help you to avoid bending and straining your back while assisting your loved one. Pull the covers all the way down out of the way and remove any bed rails. Then, have your loved one bend at the hips and knees. This will help them assist with the initial roll towards the edge of the bed. Have them reach with their opposite arm across their body and allow the legs to fall to the side. Hold on to both their shoulder and their hip or thigh as they roll for support. Once on their side, instruct them to push off the bed with their hand and elbow as you continue to provide support at the shoulder and assist with slowly guiding their legs towards the edge of the bed into a sitting position. Ensure you bend at your hips and knees to prevent any unnecessary strain on your back. The movement should be smooth and controlled. Once your loved one is sitting upright, lower the bed if needed for them to scoot forward and place their feet flat on the floor. While lowering, remain close and continue to provide support. Assist them with scooting towards the edge by holding them at the hip and shoulder and slowly pulling towards you in slow rocking movements. Ensure their feet are placed flat on the floor to promote good balance. It's crucial to ensure they feel stable and balanced before letting go. Take a moment to ask how they're feeling. If they feel dizzy or unstable at any point, assist them back to laying down and wait until they feel better. Remember, safety is our primary concern. To perform a sit to supine transfer and assist with laying back down onto the bed, first assist your loved one with scooting back onto the bed, so at the end of the transfer, they are in the middle of the bed. Support them at the hip and shoulder and assist them by guiding their hip backward as they lean to one side. Repeat this process on each side until their calves are flat against the side of the bed. Finally, if possible, raise the bed to reduce the amount of bending you will have to do during the transfer. To assist with laying down on their side, instruct your loved one to lean down on their elbow closest to the head of the bed and begin reaching across their body with the opposite hand. At the same time, provide support at their lower shoulder. As they lean towards their side, assist with moving their legs up onto the bed. Once your loved one is laying on their side, assist them to roll onto their back, providing continued support at their shoulder and thigh. Remember to ensure you bend at your hips and knees, keeping your back straight throughout the transfer. For safety, bring back up the bed rail and lower the bed. Finally, cover them up and ensure they are comfortable. It's essential throughout this process to maintain constant communication with your loved one. Ask for their feedback, how they're feeling, and if they're comfortable. Your confidence and reassurance can make a big difference in how safe and secure they feel during the transfer. With practice, bed mobility transfers can be performed smoothly, enhancing mobility and confidence for both caregivers and loved ones. Mastering bed mobility transfer techniques not only ensures safety, but also promotes dignity and comfort for those we care for. Learn more about this and other techniques on knowals.com. Thank you for watching.